Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the CommBank Ultimate Awards Credit Card. Let's begin. The CommBank Ultimate Awards Credit Card is designed for people who want to maximize their everyday spending through rewards and premium perks. With this card, you can earn points on every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for travel, shopping, or cashback. One standout feature is the ability to earn bonus points with select partners, making it easier to accumulate rewards faster. The card also offers travel insurance, airport lounge access, and exclusive event invitations for cardholders. Plus, you can link it with your CommBank Awards account for seamless reward management. Although the card carries a monthly fee, it can be waived if you meet a minimum monthly spend, making it a flexible choice for active users. If you are looking for a rewards-rich credit card with strong benefits, the CommBank Ultimate Awards Credit Card is a powerful option to explore. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.